Hi all, and welcome to the Stitch 76 channel. So slight change of plan once again. Went to town centre today and popped into the pound shop, came across this white LED strip light. Now originally I purchased this for camping use sort of thing, but I think I'm probably going to cut this LED strip light up and use it in the Power Wheels ride-on cars that we modify as well. So this was £2 for 1.3 metre strip of LED lights with a USB adapter fitted onto power them off USB as well. So let's open it up. It comes on a reel. The reel is very flimsy, but we're not really going to be using that anyway. So let's, okay, we've got a nice long length of USB lead on that actually. Let's get that out of the way. So that's quite good. So what we're going to do first of all is plug it into a power bank. See how bright it is. That is very bright, all nice and coiled up like that. Okay, fine. Right, let's just turn the light off and see how bright it is. Okay, so that is reasonably bright for running on 5 volts. So yeah, let's connect that. Okay, so it's got, is that sticky double-sided tape on the back? Yes it is, and that is quite sticky, so that's good. That's not a bad thing. Yeah, that is very sticky, so that's good. Right, let's put that back down so we can reuse that. Okay. Let's have a little look see. So we've got, so yeah, we can convert this to use on a ride-on car quite easily sort of thing if we wanted to. So it's not a bad price. If you wanted some straight away, pop into Pound Shop. You would be able to get this cheaper on eBay and a much longer reel, a 5 metre reel, which is how I normally buy it. LEDs aren't that often, they're probably what, every 5 centimetres, so they're not, it's not going to be particularly that bright, but each one has its own resistor with as well, so that's quite good. So you've got cutting points as well, sort of got that silicone rubber coating on it as well, so that would be a mild level of waterproofness. So yeah, but in a tent, that'd be very good. You can use it for other decorations as well. It's quite nice it comes on this reel. The reel's not particularly good quality. I would say that this tape is actually, as much as it's advertised as 1.3 metres, this tape is only 1 metre long and the USB lead takes it up to the 1.3 metres. So you've got a little length there. So we will just wrap this up and call this an evening. Well, thank you for watching. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. There'll be further videos coming. Thank you. Goodbye.